We're heading off to the Turnbull's archive. Now, as you know, I've been sharing some pictures from days gone by. We've seen the old travelling shop, we've seen pictures of the older generations of Turnbulls, but we're going to go back in the loft and see what we can find today. Follow me. So the loft at the town centre shop dates back, well, this building predates the 1800s. It's very old and it's very tall. So we're now on the, is this the 5th level? I think it's the 5th level. So here we have our offices and staff room, but a lot of people have never seen this. This is the loft at Turnbull's. So let's go and have a look. It's quite tight, mind your step. So this is where the archives are kept. It might be a bit dark, but we'll get the light. There we go. Now, I must warn you, it's a bit messy, but that's fine because nothing ever gets used. This is where things are forgotten about. Look at this. I found this brilliant old photograph. Don't you can see it on the camera there, but that is Michael Pitts the Drapers, which you will now recognise as the town centre shop. So the shop was actually this portion here, and it was then knocked through and expanded into the deli and grocery area that you see here today. Nice bit of history. Old specials there. We've got, what else have we got? Oh, some old Q Guild awards. What's that in there? Smithfield Product Award 2015. We won a gold for our cooked ham. That is marvellous, very tasty indeed. Let's see what else we can find here. Oh, I can't quite read that. This looks like recipes. How interesting. Within the dust-cladded pages was a recipe for an Old English sausage that was originally made in 1953 to honour the Queen's coronation. We took this recipe and rejuvenated it back into 2022 to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee.